Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Frontend Mitra. In this video, we will be discussing IIFE or immediately invoking function expression in JavaScript, different ways to define them and its usage. In previous video, I hope you have mastered concept of call, apply and bind in JavaScript. Before getting into IIFE, let's understand ways of defining function in JavaScript. So, this is the first way of defining a function. This is called function declaration, and here the name is must. You can invoke the function or call the function like this. The second way in JavaScript to define the function is using function expression. Here the name is optional. If you can remove it, there won't be any error, and it is an anonymous function. Then function expression stored in the variable. You can see I have created an add variable where this function expression is stored. Now coming to the next way of defining the function is the arrow function. So we are using here ES6 to define it, right, in this syntax. Now the fourth way is using function constructor like this. I have passed the argument and I am able to create the function. Now moving on to IIFE. So friends, this is called IIFE, and IIFE stands for immediately invoked function expression. So you must be wondering how we have to use IIFE and where to use it. So let me simplify this for you. Let me write an IIFE function for you. So this is IIFE function. So how it is different from the normal function. So the normal function, let me create a function for you. So here I have to call it explicitly, right? I have to call this explicitly. I am invoking it here. But in case of IIFE, I can immediately call it using this syntax. I have to wrap this inside the parenthesis, and to invoke this I have to add this. That's it. This is called IIFE. There is no rocket science. बहुत आसान है ये. Okay, so I can see hey welcome to Frontend Mitra as expected. Now what if I have to pass an argument to this function? So let me copy this. Let me create an add function. Then to pass on an argument, let me do 2 and 3, a comma b, then a plus b. Okay, so here as expected I can see 5, the addition of these two. So again, now third thing is if I have to convert it to the arrow function. So again, this is again a very simple thing. Just मुझे यहाँ पे arrow function add करना है. So just I have to convert it like this. I have saved this function, and then I have to load this browser tab. Yeah, I can see 5 again. So this is all about the IIFE, the normal IIFE when I have to pass the argument, and the third is when I have converted it to the arrow function. There is one more thing, like during interviewer may confuse you by removing this semicolon. Now if I run this, now you can see there is only output from the first IIFE function, and there is nothing, no other output, right? Just because they have removed the semicolon. Once you add it, you will get it back. So that don't get confused, friends. अब इतना बता दिया है, so just crack the interview definitely for this question. ठीक है. Now next thing which I want to cover is the usage of IIFE. So let's discuss that. So IIFE solves the problem of global scope and restricting function and variable to become global. So the function and variable declared inside IIFE will not pollute the global variable, even they have the same name as the global variable and the function. So here is an example. You can see this is the IIFE function. So even these names may be used in the global scope. So these local scope variables won't be polluting the global scope. Why? The reason being is commented here. First variable and the second variable will be discarded, right? It will be discarded after the function is executed. So it is very crystal clear, when this function will be executed तो ये दोनों जो वेरिएबल्स है वो डिस्कार्ड हो जाएंगे, तो ग्लोबल वेरिएबल को इट वोंट बी एबल टू pollute it. Now the second use is like very simple, execute an async function. So you can see the syntax over here, or next time when you are going to use the async function, your wish, you can use like this or in the normal function way. Okay. Now the third thing is the module pattern, wherein you can create a private variable. So next time whenever you want to create a private variable, try to use IIFE. Alright, that wraps up today's topic. I hope you found this tutorial informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and click the bell icon to receive notification when we post new videos. Have questions? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from our community. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep pushing the boundaries of what you can achieve. Thank you.